from Saudi Arabia.
Your new fixed teeth with implant. It's an immediate loading. 6 years without teeth.
Without everything I have now normal. I don't feel anything. I think anything here normal. No any problem. If you make this, you have good dental implant, you have good teeth, you have good smile. Now I have a new life. You found good work, professional work, about everything I feel about this. Not I have a smile only. No. I have also in my side. Yeah. Also inside what you have. Everything you have control about everything when you eating, speaking, and I have big smile. Everything good,
strong.
Yeah. Also eating good and healthy food. Yesterday I sent to him video. Yeah, told me this your teeth amazing. Tonight I am very happy.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
You're my father. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Great. Hello, my name is Galib from Saudi Arabia. My age 46 years and I finished my dental implant in 22 days. Now give me my smile, give me my life, and now I am very happy. Come back to me my smile, come back to me my life.
It's an immediate loading. We fitted your teeth just a few minutes back.
Thank you about dental implant. Everything I have now normal. Now I have a new life.
Yeah.
Thank you because you give me my smile.
Your family and your friends are happy to see you.
Yesterday I sent to him video. Yeah, told me this your teeth amazing.
How long your teeth for me?
6 years.
6 years without teeth.
Without teeth.
And now you finally got your new fixed teeth with implants. Teeth are very important, sir, because if you lose teeth, it hurts.
Only I eating liquid food and soft food, and I have big problem about my smile. But now I have big smile.
And sir, we did the best implant in the world.
Yeah.
So it's the perfect implant for immediate loading, perfect implant in diabetic patients. So in compromised situations, #1 global implant in the world.
I feel about this now. I feel about this. Maybe anyone you see my smile only, but I told him not I have a smile only. No. I have also in my side. Yeah.
You want smile and functionality?
I have a professional work about everything. This very important. Not just about smile. No. Also inside what you have. You have everything professional. You have everything. You have control about everything when you eating.
Speaking.
Speaking. I think now I have control about everything. And I have big smile. Everything good.
Strong.
Yeah. Also eating good and healthy food. If you make this, you have good dental implant, you have good teeth, you have good smile. Really. Anyone you want professional doctor about dental implant, come to Jalandhar, come to Dr. Shima, and you found good work, professional work about everything. And also here you found a professional team about everything. And I found here big smile in this city. Really, I am happy. I don't feel anything. I think anything here normal. No any problem. Tonight I am very happy.
Tonight you are very happy?
Yeah.
You're having party at your home? You're doing the party?
Yeah, I think after 6 hours.
Tomorrow.
From now, I will go my country, and I told my friend about Dr. Shiva. Thank you, Dr. Shiva.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice flight, sir.
What?
Thank you, sir. Bye. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
You're my father. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Really.
Mercy. Thanks for coming. Thanks for visiting, sir.